Hello and welcome to Blaze Themes YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a header template with NewsKit Elementor Addons plugin. For this tutorial I'm using Pro version of this plugin, so you might not see some features in your website if you are using the free version. But there is no need to worry, there is only a little difference. You can get around all of the settings very easily to create your own custom header template by following this tutorial. To create header template, go to NewsKit, Theme Builder, click on Create Header Template, write a header template name, create template. Define conditions for determining where to display or not display the header template. Save and exit. Start editing template. First, add an inner section to the canvas. For this top header, I would like to have 3 columns. Go to Style tab and pick background color. Go to Advanced Settings, put 0 padding. Go to Layout tab, choose No Column Gap. Now let's add date and time on the first inner column. Go to Style tab, pick icon color, pick time color, edit typography, Roboto Slab font family. Then edit date, edit typography, Roboto Slab font family, normal font weight, date font color. Let's make the design settings of time and date the same. Second, I am going to add ticker news slider. I want the column width of ticker news slider to be longer. It is easy to change column width in Elementor Builder. Click and hold the border of the column and drag it. The width ratio of adjacent column is automatically adjusted. Next, go to Post Title, pick text color. Widget title, typography, sign font family, medium font weight, specify font size. Choose background color of widget title. In slider settings, you may disable arrows. I want to enable autoplay instead. In post title design settings, I am choosing Roboto Slab font family, specifying font size. Back to slider settings, enable infinite loop. In widget title, I want to edit the background color, reducing opacity. Next, add side nav menu on the third column. Select the menu that you have created for the nav menu. Edit menu items. Pick color. Select right alignment. Go to animation settings. I don't want any hover effect. To style tab, menu items. Let's try removing padding for now. Edit typography, Roboto Slab font family. Pick font size. There is an easy way to access the desired block by going through the structure and clicking on it. Edit vertical alignment of intersection. Choose middle. Add another intersection in the new section. Add another column. Edit first column. Edit column width 25%. Next, add button in this first column. Write button text. Zero border radius. Choose background color of the button. Edit typography. Roboto Slab font family. Uppercase text. Increase font size. Edit letter spacing. For middle column, add site logo and title. Choose center alignment of the title. There are 3 layouts. In site title styles, edit typography. Same Roboto Slab font family. Increase font size. Pick color. You can also add hover color. For the third column, I'm adding social icons. Right alignment. I want black and white style in social icons. That is why I'm going to choose custom icon color. After that, put 0 opacity in the primary color to make it transparent. Then select black as secondary color. Increase social icon size. 0 padding. Add spacing between the icons. Select the parent section. No column gap. Add 50 pixels of top and bottom padding. Middle vertical alignment. Select middle vertical alignment in intersection 2. Add new intersection. Select the parent section. Go to border, solid border type. Add a bit of bottom border width. Select border color. Add a new column. Edit column width percentage. Edit to 15% column width. Same width percent for the third column. Next, add canvas menu. As of today, there are 5 different icon styles. Go to Styles tab, border type none. Remove padding. Decrease icon width. Increase half a pixel of icon gap. For second column, I am adding site navigation mega menu. Select a menu that you have created for the mega menu. Center alignment. Click on Edit column of the parent section. Go to Advanced Settings, put 0 padding. Edit the second column. Put 0 padding in the nav menu too. Go to Style tab. In menu items, choose Open Sans font family. Uppercase letters. Let's try out different font weights. Increase font size. In active menu, I am choosing primary color. In third column, I am going to add live search. You can either choose to display the search input field perennially or only make it appear on icon click. I am choosing right alignment for search icon. Again, back to inner section of the title header. Solid border type. Add 2 pixels of bottom border width on initial state. Select border color. 50 pixels of top and bottom padding in inner section. Since I have added padding in inner section, I will remove padding that I put earlier in the parent section. Building our header template is now complete. You can view all the customizations we have made on this header on the canvas. I am satisfied with how it looks, so I am going to publish it. If you have any questions or need any help, please visit blazethemes.com and contact our support team to get free support.